In this video, you're going to learn exactly step by step how to open a Google Ads account for your business and start running ads as soon as possible. This video is a part of a long video where I talk about how to open a Google My Business, how to open a Google Ads account, and how to start running ads for a specific business, such as restaurants. This video is a short clip from that one, and here you're going to learn exactly how you can open a Google Ads account. So no more fluff, let's get straight into it. So we'll search for Google Ads in Google, okay? And then we click on the first one, Google Ads, get clients. Then we're going to sign up, okay? We're going to start. And then they are going to give us a step-by-step on how to create our first campaign. We have to create our first campaign in order to create a new account, okay? So just let's click it, Restaurant Piccadilly. Let's go with our number, okay? I think it would be better, okay? Let's go with our number. This is the most important thing. Now, this is to link the restaurant that you have with Google My Business. So let's go and link it. It's gonna appear this one. And okay, next, link, and great. We can also change the number if we want. In this case, we're not going to do that. It is great now. Next. And now what we want to do in this campaign. So obviously we're not going to do anything. Just click next. We can also go next, yes, get off. Euros, you have to confirm your account and you have to put in a new payment method and just go and send it. In this case, I'm not going to do it because I have already an account. Once that's done, we'll see something like this page, okay? Of course, you're going to have 0 clicks, 0 impressions, CPC, and no cost, okay? But you will see something like this. Now, how do we actually put our business in the first one when it comes to Google Ads, okay? So let's go, and firstly, before starting a campaign, okay, if you actually did the campaign, I just suggest you go on campaign and deselect the campaign, like turn it off, okay? In this case, I'm not going to do it because I don't have any. As we linked the Google My Business profile, we don't have to do a lot of things, right? We just go on tools, we go on data manager, and we're going to check indeed that we have the Google My Business profile linked. If you don't have, then just connect. And it's really step-by-step, easy step-by-step. Just search Google My Business profile and let's just select it, okay? In this case, I'm not going to do it because I already have it. And that was the video. If you like it, then just go and click the like button in this YouTube video. Just subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.